My name is Rick, and I'm the project manager.
Hi, my name is Hassan, and I'm the program designer for Rick.
My name is Timothy Lindsay, and I'm the program and designer.
My name is Chris Kumsanoff, and I'm the stage manager.
My name is Max, my management, and I'm the videographer for this group.
3, 2, 1.
Here we have a Python keychain. It's a great product. Many Python programmers are going to want to purchase this to put on their backpacks, on their keychains, on their card keys, all of that. It's very sturdy. It doesn't break even when dropped, and it has little holes for the keychain.
So this is a Python keychain. This could roll, so it has a circle bigger and then a Python attached upon it. The hole's big enough for this big keychain to go in. You can put it on your book bag, anywhere. Keep it as a souvenir, and yeah.